What's up everybody, welcome back to Electronics Wheel, another day with another video, another product, and it's from, as you all can guess, it's from Thundersoft, and yes, it is the Thundercomm Artificial Intelligence Kit, and it's new. It's released in 23rd of October 2018. Let's take a look at what's inside and how to get started and the specifications. So it's a pretty simple packaging. When you open it, you can see a box inside, and suppose yes, this is the kit itself. And if you can open it, you can see the computer here. Yes, and this is the Thundercomm AI Kit by Qualcomm. It does have a camera on the top, camera key, volume keys, power key, and 3 LEDs. And down here you can see the speaker, and at the back you can see let me zoom in. Yeah, you can see a debug, and you can also see micro HDMI, headphone, USB Type C, an SD card slot, Ethernet cable slot, RJ45, DC 12-volt power supply, and 3 USB 3.0. So let's keep it down and see what else is inside this box. And oh yeah, there's even a cable or whatever. Yeah, and this is the USB 3.0 cable. And there, keep that also aside, and let's take a look what's inside this. Yes, it is the power supply, as you can see, power cables, and of course a power adapter, garbage. And this thing is pretty cool. It's actually a nice little power supply. I like it very much. But let me tell you about the specifications of this Thundercomm AI kit. Actually, it's a pretty powerful kit. It's meant for artificial intelligence development. You can do all sorts of programming. It's an Android OS. Let's see what the specifications are. So it features a Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 processor and Qualcomm Kryo 385, 8 into Qualcomm Kryo 345. It features Adreno 630 GPU, and it also has a Qualcomm Spectra 280 image sensor processor. Coming to the memory, it has RAM 8GB LPDDR4. It has ROM 64GB. It supports micro SD card. It has a built-in camera, that's 8 megapixel camera. Yes, it is, and it has FOV 120 degree. It has a micro HDMI, which is up to 4K Ultra HD. It has a speaker, a microphone, and a headset out. It has Wi-Fi, onboard Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth also. Wi-Fi also, and micro USB to send. And the debug port is to send serial, to use for using serial, and Ethernet. And it has 3 LEDs. One is for power status, Wi-Fi status, and Ethernet status. And it can be charged using 12 volt DC. It should be charged actually using 12 volt DC power supply. And let's see what's product software specifications. It has an Android operating system, and it features many algorithms such as the Algorithm Software Development Kit, which includes some optimized algorithm and demo application source code such as face recognition and object detection. So basically, the developers can use algorithm software development kit to develop their own artificial intelligence applications, or rather known as AI application. And also developers can integrate their own AI algorithm to demo application conveniently. So it's a pretty cool, a powerful engine, as we can see, and it has a built-in Ultra HD camera. USB 3-point camera or IP camera can be brought as external, you can see. So AI algorithm SDK includes face detection, face recognition, emotion detection, age detection, gender detection, and face anti-spoofing algorithm. These all are included. So basically, for artificial intelligence, we use recognition. Softwares which use or which can recognize human faces, like TensorFlow, Cafe, Android, and OpenCV, etc., etc. So it uses Qualcomm Neural Processing Software Development Kit and cloud service as the Amazon Web Services video kinesis streaming. It's optional. It's not included. It's optional. So these are the main features of the hardware and hardware and software specifications. So for getting started, you need to have a integrated mouse and keyboard like this one over here. It has both, and I do have a wireless receiver also for it. And also you must have what we say HDMI, micro HDMI to your normal HDMI, or any of the connections you want to give. So as we see in the intro of this product, now let's look at how to get started. So please keep tuned. I will be. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the final part of this video, and we'll be logging into our Thundercomm AI Kit of the Android operating system based on x86, and you need to have a keyboard and mouse, or like this one. I do have integrated keyboard and mouse, and so I will use that for this. And I got my dongle up here. It's plugged into this USB hub. So in your Thundercomm AI kit, you need to have you need to have this type of USB HDMI, micro HDMI to HDMI cable, like this one. And or you can have this type of USB type C cable, which you can plug in the Thundercomm AI kit, and then you can plug into your computer and control via an application software called Thundercomm Total Control. And now let's see the working of the user interface of Thundercomm AI Kit. So let me zoom in a little bit. Okay, so you need to plug in your HDMI adapter, which I do have here. I'll plug in that way, and your dongle also plug in. And after that, just this on your computer for the purpose, and you need to click the power button for 3 to 4 seconds. So let's get started. So we have captured. Oh yeah, it's loading the bootloader. So this is the bootloader. So just to zoom in a little bit, let me off it and restart my monitor. So actually this is an LED monitor, so it's good for projects with boards such as Raspberry Pi or board computers. But this Thundercomm AI Kit is 4K, so it doesn't matter if you're using a LCD or LED. and it's loading, and you can see here the Android uh, operating system booting up. And let it load. We'll wait for a second, and we'll see the UI and all those type of, oh, what's, and you can see the QTI locate. Do not close this app, just press your home button, or you can use this camera snapshot button to act as your home button. So I'll press my camera shot button, and it's there. Just play with your keyboard, and it's done. This is the Android operating system of the Thundercomm AI. It has various applications such as Snapdragon camera, Snapdragon gallery, see any settings. Let's head on to settings, and uh, connect to your Wi-Fi. Mine is already connected. Let me go down a bit, and there's the systems there. Let's check our hardware and the software setup. So as you can see, uh, the language is set in Android keyboard, Android open source project keyboard. Date and times is set in Greenwich Mediterranean time +8. That's the Chinese standard time. You have about phone, just about phone, just go into that. You have your phone number, signal, etc. And as you can see, the model is AI Kit, and this is an ARM x64 based, and it has an Android version of Android 8.0.0, and it's been updated since January 25th. I mean the security patch level. As you can see, the kernel version is 4.9.65 plus, and that's the latest. If you want to update, there's no problem, but if they release the update, it's good. um let's see other settings. You have your Wi-Fi address, MAC address, all things set up. So this is pretty much it, but I like this thing is personally. You can connect to the internet. You can browse through the web server, and you have some files that's necessary for AirKit, and this is meant for artificial intelligence development. I am just starting on that. I am now working with cloud service of 45 Smart, and some other cool Android Studio development sites. I'll be soon releasing a software development kit and applications based on the Thundercomm AI kit, and this is a cool board. As you can see, this is it is the most powerful board released in the world for artificial intelligence development, and it was given to me by Thundersoft, and that's pretty much it. If you give a thumbs up if you like the video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching Electronics Wheel.